quarantine 2020. I'm learning things and teaching you. I'm learning things and teaching you. Okay. Hey everybody, my name is Felencialchristian and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed my knotless braids so that you can install yours at home too. Quarantine 2020, I'm learning things and teaching you. I'm learning things and teaching you. Okay, but if that seems like a video that you'd enjoy, stay tuned. So, like I said, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I installed my boho knotless braids. It was actually pretty, well, let me not. All right, the back of my hair tells a story. Okay, it shows how I overcame adversity. Cause let me find, okay, this was my first braid. I have not redone it because I just wanted, me to not get the big head and, show how far I came. But this was my first. This braid here took me 30 minutes. No, don't let this look, okay? Once I got the hang of it, I got it, and it was not bad. But this first braid, which is terrible, you can see exactly where I added the hair, took 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you one up here. As you can see, eventually I got the hang of it and it's seamless. You can't even tell where I added the hair. So I'm gonna help you guys so you can do it too. But first, I'm gonna show you guys how I blow my hair out with only one product. So roll the footage, girl, roll it. So guys, to blow out my hair, I literally only used one thing. I did water wash only on my hair. As you can see, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just going to use avocado oil. Just this much. Just like a quarter or nickel sized amount. Rub it into my hair. And then I grab my brush. Straight, I don't care about that. It's just straight enough so that when I braid it, it'll blend in with the hair. So that's how I do my blowout. Super simple. Just make sure you wash your hair, of course, however you wash it. You can try the water wash only method if you want, or if you need more moisture, try one of my other videos where I show you how I do my hair to prep for like a protective style or what have you. And then don't put anything on your hair, no leave-in or anything. Just get get avocado oil or a good heat protectant that I like, and it's a bit expensive, but it's good, and it's a 10. That's a really good one too. Just spray that on your hair, and then there you go. And you'll have like a really lightweight, fluffy blowout. First off, I've had my braids in now I did them on the 24th, and it is the 20th, so almost a month. And they still look good. I should take this down so you can see exactly what they look like. They actually still look pretty good, right? I wanted them thin. I didn't want thick. I will I will be doing my hair, my braids thick the next time I do them, but the first time I wanted to do them, you know, thinner. So I like how they look. I like that they're like really like boho, and yeah. So I left the back one, like I said, just to show my struggle and where I came from, you know. I'm not gonna pretend that I'm better than anybody, because I'm not, you know. I came from humble beginnings. Humble beginnings. So I'm gonna actually redo this one, okay? So let me tell you the things that I use to braid my hair. So of course I just showed you how I blew my hair out, because that was me blowing my hair out for this style. So I did it in a blown out state, and my hair has not tried to revert or anything. I did spray some water on it today, which made my hair a little frizzy, but it's nothing crazy. So this is the hair that I use. I use Organique number 4. It's $9.99 a pack. I didn't even use a full pack. I literally bought 4 packs because, you know, my hair is thick. I'm gonna insert some clips of what my hair naturally looks like out. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna need a lot of hair. I'm gonna need a lot. But I literally had this much left out of one of these packs. So you can, I'd say if you do it like I did it, and if you make them about this size, you only need 1, but I get 2 for good measure. But you don't have to spend $40. You can spend 20 and you're good, unless you're making them thicker. And this is the gel that I use. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it though? Can you see it? But yeah, Shine and Jam conditioning gel, that's it. So I kept the root braided because of course, like, that part is good. It was like the hair that I added that was the problem. So you don't want to get a lot of hair. You want the thickness of the hair that you're adding in to be less than this, the pieces that you're adding it to. So I got this right here, right? This is the thickness. So I'm gonna do this in half. I only add 2 pieces of hair to my head. Now when I get to the front, I'm gonna rebraid the entire thing, but I'm gonna show you how I just add the hair at the back. So I braid down, that's a good like 2-3 inches.
Okay guys, so I didn't do the best job of explaining how I added the hair in the back, so I'm just gonna let you watch how I added to this braid, but I'm gonna explain it in great detail and very slowly in the front. So just stay tuned, okay? It's a process.
Bit of this gel, and I'm going to kind of seal my ends, and boom, there we go. Any over here maybe? Oh, this one right here, because you can see exactly where I added the hair. So now we're gonna do this one. So I'm gonna take the hair off or out, and then I'll be back to start. Okay, I'm back. I have taken the braid out. As you can see, my hair is still looking good from that blowout with only the avocado oil. So there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair so I can already have it separated. So this is the original, and I'm going to separate that. I'm actually going to separate it really small because this hair of mine, there you go, that's one. I'm gonna make this a little smaller, this is too much. And that's two. So I'm gonna start off by braiding my own hair. Separate it into 3 sections. But first, I'm getting some of this gel and I'm just putting it on my roots to kind of keep them down, and it'll help it blend. Well, I ain't putting it up here, but you know, that'll help keep it less frizzy. So I've got my 3 sections and I'm gonna braid. I braid under, so braid down to a certain place. My 3 sections: the far left, the middle, the right. So I'm not messing with the right. I'm only gonna put the hair, blend the hair with these 2. So I'm grabbing my hair and I'm gonna have one side longer than the other. The farthest left side will be longer than the part that's gonna go with the middle. So now I'm gonna blend it behind. So I go behind and I put the shorter part with the middle, the longer part with the far left. I'm gonna bring the right piece behind the middle to secure the hair that I added. Then I'm bringing the left piece behind, then the right piece behind, then the left piece behind, then the right piece behind, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. See how seamless that is? You can't even tell where I added it. See that? All right, then I'm gonna braid down so far, then I'm gonna grab my other hair and I'll show you once I get there. So now what I'm doing is I'm making sure the piece of hair that didn't have anything added is all the way to the left, okay? And I am going to add my hair again. So here's my hair, again, staggered, right? The part on the left is going to be longer than the part in the middle. I'm going to add it to this behind my hair, bring my right piece behind to lock it in, then I bring my left over, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Boom, 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 and you keep braiding. Now I got to this part and I'm gonna twist it until my hair is secure. This is just something I like to do. You don't have to twist, you can just braid down to however far you want. I just like to twist it to keep my hair in. Now there's a little bit more of my hair. So now that I've covered all of my hair, all right, it's only the added hair left. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the gel. I'm gonna seal this in. See that? Boom. And there you go, there's my braid. Now I do have some of the added hair kind of sticking out where, you know, you see that? Because it was uneven. Literally just get some scissors and cut. I mean, you can keep the hair if you want to, but you don't have to. But yeah, there's the braid. Again, with practice and time, it looks, but from afar, it looks great. And of course I have these up here where you can't even tell, like literally, you can't tell. So there you go. That's how you do knotless braids. I hope it made sense. And I didn't say, but it's the French Super Bulk 18-inch. So yeah, but if your local beauty supply store does not have it, I will put a link to Amazon, because Amazon also sells it, but a lot of times it's sold out. And so yeah, try out your local beauty supply store because they might just have it. But yeah, I love that it's like kind of messy. It's not too perfect or anything. I'm not one that likes like the perfect braid look. If you want kind of the boho, kind of easy breezy look, then try mine. You can use a little less hair than I use if you want it to be a bit more seamless, or whatever you like. It's all up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. This is literally my first time ever braiding, adding hair to my head. Never ever have I ever tried this or attempted this, because I knew I wouldn't be able to, but I did this and it looks pretty decent. If you like, you can always subscribe, and after you subscribe, make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Oh, I know what you guys can comment down below if you want me to do a video where I show you how I style this. I got some cute little styles. Still a little side ponytail. It's just giving me like life. Like you add a cute earring or something that's a bit more visible, and you're just giving it to them. Like, you got your side ponytail. Yes. Yes. But anyways, let me go. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Bye.